Morning class. Today we discuss about the basic of control system. Let us discuss what is system. A system is generally a combination of device, circuit and network. Generally, it is an interconnection of object with a definite relationship between input and output. Here we can see that input is directly applied to system. Input is directly applied to system and obtained a desired output. Now, what do you mean by control? Generally, the meaning of control is regulate something. So we can say that a control is generally defined by regulation or command of a system for obtain a desired output. Now, what is control system? The main point of our topic. A control system is a combination of system or control. Generally, when a system or control combine to obtain the desired output is known as control system. Now, here we can see that the control system diagram. Here the whole input is applied to control system and obtain the output. So generally we can say that a control system is an arrangement of physical component connected in a proper manner to produce desired output. So this is the diagram of control system. Now, classification of control system. Generally, control system divided into two parts. First, open loop control system and second, closed loop control system. Now, we discuss about each one. First of all, open loop control system. Generally, a open loop control system is one in which output is directly controlled by the input. So here we can see that the reference input RT is applied to controller and the output of controller, that is UT, is applied to process, and here the processor is process the whole input and obtain the and generate the controlled output. That is the open loop system. So we can say that any physical system which doesn't have the feedback structure is known as open loop control system. Here we can say that any feedback control system is not presented here, so it is known as open loop control system. Now, these are examples of open loop control system. First is electric hand driver, second is automatic washing machine, and many others like electric iron box, ordinary water tank, heater, etc. Now, these are the advantages of OLCS, means advantage of open loop control system. The open loop control systems are simple in constructions. These require less maintenance, easy to maintain, generally stable, and these are economical. So these are the advantages of OLCS. These summarized as simple in construction and design, economical, easy to maintain, generally stable, convenient to use, etc. Now, disadvantage of OLCS. The disadvantage of OLCS is that these are very slow to obtain output and these are not reliable. So we can say that they are inaccurate, they are unreliable, and any change in the output cannot be corrected automatically. So these are the disadvantages of OLCS. Now, closed loop system. Generally, in closed loop system, we can say that it is the system in which control action is somehow dependent on the output, is known as closed loop system. Generally, closed loop system is known as feedback control system because in this type of system, output has an effect on control action because output is feed to input of the system. So this is the definition of control loop system, that is A system in which the control action is somehow dependent on the output is known as closed loop system. Now, block diagram. In this block diagram, we can see that the command input is applied to reference transducer. The reference transducer convert the one type of signal to another type of signal and obtain a output, that is RT. Now the signal RT is applied to error detector, that is this. Error detector is used to receive the measured signal and compare it with the reference input. So it produces the error signal. These error signal are applied to controller. Generally, the controller is used to regulate the response according to the signal obtained from the error detector. Generally, we can say that the input of error signal is applied to controller, and this controller control the whole situation and convert it into manipulated signal. Now, the manipulated signal MT is applied to plant. And generally, the plant is also known as control system, because in this the system which represent what we are controlling by the closed loop is represented. Now the controlled output is feedback to input. So generally we can say that feedback element is used to feedback the output signal to the error detector. Generally, sometimes we can say that a feedback transducer used to control the feedback signal. In this, some part of output signal is mixed with input, that is the feedback transducer. Now we discuss the advantage of CLCS, means advantage of closed loop control system. Generally in closed loop control system, optimization is very easy. So this is the advantage. In this, a number of variables can be handled easily, and these systems are more reliable and faster. So these are the advantage of CLCS, and sometimes this system is less affected by noise. That is the point of advantage of CLCS. Now the disadvantage of CLCS. The disadvantage of closed loop systems are these are very expensive and maintenance is very difficult. So these are the disadvantages of CLCS. And the example of closed loop structure is water tank with float ball, voltage stabilizer, etc. So thank you. The topic is the basic of control system. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.